surface in SOLIDWORks. In the part document, begin with the drop-down menu Insert, Surface, Extrude or Revolve. Select the command Extrude, select the plane and create this sketch, some square. Next, exit from sketch and set parameter, direction, distance or depth and some draft. For example, maybe some 17 or 5 degree. In case of surface revolved, select the plane front, create the sketch, some spline, set EST and create a central line. EST and exit from sketch. And OK, we have surface revolved.